So dear friends, today I have back to make this fantastic and colorful logo design. It is a real estate company's the house logo, so you can try by following my video, and please stay with me and follow me, and you can do it very easily and very nicely. So dear friends, do not stay far. Please go with me and see and watch how colorful, how beautiful, how nicely and easily doing this very in a short time. So first of all, what should I do? I need to just put it here, and I need to little bit small size so that it is more better to me. So first of all, what should I do? First of all, I need the polygon tool. This is a fantastic tool. So you need just click the polygon. Just you need it here, press here, so many tools, rectangle tool, round rectangle tool, ellipse tool, but I need the polygon tool. So I click here, just I need here one time. Already done here 3, but it is automatically 6. It will be the number 6, but I have here setting it already 3. So I needed a 3. Click here. Oh my god, it is very nice. So I need to color here the black color. I like the black color, so I put it black color. So friends, what should I do? I just now just put it here, and I need to bigger a little bit. Yes, like that. Yeah, a little bit upper side. It will be good, and carefully, friends. You need to do it carefully. So what should I do? I need now just copy by pressing Alt, then just copy, pressing together with the Shift. Yes, nice. What should I need to select this all together and lock. What is the short form of lock? You just press Control and the 2. It will be lock. So it will be easy, so that it will not move anywhere if you lock this one. So what should I do? I need now just a pen tool. I'm pressing the pen tool. What should I do? Now just click here and like that angle, not this way, not that way, just like this angle right here. Friend, please carefully do it, otherwise it not be looking nice. So I have click here and here near, just put it here, just like that. Yes, right here, then where this, here, and like that, and keep here, put here like that, and put here. Then just setting very beginning of that data. So what should I do? I need to just color. Where is color? Which color? Red color. Oh, nice. You see, one shape happened. One shape already done. Already done. So now what should I do? I am back another tool, another shape. So what should I do? I need to pen already clicking their pen already automatically that is. So I need it here top side. I need from the top side. Click here and like that. Just you put it here a little bit. Yes. Now what should I do? I need it this one here. Then just like that here and put it here and put it here and this one. Yes. How easily I'm doing by the pen tool. It is easy, friend. Don't worry about it. Just follow me and very nicely you can do it. So now what should I do? Now I needed to unlock both of them. So how should I done it? I need to press control, alter, then a tool. It is already done unlock. So dear friends, now right now I just click here, and I can like that. This also, yes, very nice. So I need to delete one, and already these two shape I already done. I need just now angle or like that. Just need to little bit like that. Put like that. I need here like that. Yes, put in here. Yes. Now a little bit angle it. Otherwise it will be not here. Yes, right here. This right here. Yes, right here. Nice. So I need it now a little bit here, a little bit. Yes, a little bit here. This I need to scale this one like that. It will be near close. Should close. Should close. Should a little bit here. Yes. Yes, you see, friend, how nice and how fantastic and how effective and easily doing. So, what should I? Now, I need the last one. What should I? How do I eat? It's a little bit tough, not much tough, but a little bit. Just I put it down here, a little bit the right side, and I needed to log it again. Control 2. Yes, right. So I needed which one? I needed just panel tool back. So I start this angle. It's right there. You see, like that. Here, right here, and put it here. and I will follow like that. So now I need the color. How? Yes, color. So I need it now on another color. I need to also lock this one, otherwise it makes a problem. So right now I needed this one. So I need from here just put here, needed this angle a little bit here. Yes, yes, like that. Yes. Oh my god. It's very nice, very nice, very easy. Just follow me, my technique. It will be more better and easy. So what should I do? I need to just unlock this one. Unlock. So Alter, Control Alter, and the 2. It is done, almost done. So right here. Now I need to just put here a little bit here. Upper side. It will be not good. Yes, done. Already done. Yes, little bit. Yeah, little bit. Just nice and nice. So I need this delete. Yes, you see how is nice. Just now I need it like that. So a little bit like that. Just I need it at this angle like that. It will be more good and more fantastic. So guys, you see how is nice. A little bit, this, a little bit, this, a little bit here, like that. No, it's more, it's more. Yes, right. Yes. So which one is remembering? Now just this one. I need to put this one. It is now easy. Get the top, done. Just now I need the rectangle tool. I already done it this one. Like that. Yes, it will be more easy. I have the automatic system. I'm giving you just I need the black for the color. Yes, you see? Now what should I do? I need to just go to the object and a path and split it good, and the more you need to preview. Press the preview 2 and 2 more, and here the 2 for the space. Yes, here also to the space. Nice. So what should I do? I need to just group this one. So I needed to put here, you see how it's looking. Then I just copy here and I just copy and I put it here. You see friend, how easy, how very nice I said it. Which one? Just now this one is remaining. So I needed also the rectangle tool. You see, this also very easy, not so tough or not. It is also very easy. So just starting from here, just you need to just wait and see very few time. Very nice. Just I'm doing here. I need a little bit a little bit here, not much. It's much. This is much. Not like that. Yeah. Okay. Almost done. Little bit small like that. Yes. Now just put here. Little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So I need to just Control G. That means group. A group here. Just now I need to put here. What should I do? I need to now it a little bit small. I need a little bit small. So like that. No. Little bit. No, no. Yes. This one. Okay. Yeah, I think it's done. Well, I think no. Little bit. Little bit. This one like that. Maybe this one. Or okay. So I needed to arrange and assign to back. Yes. You see how happened is this one? How happened this one? Yes, right here. So a little bit, I think it's a little bit bigger than like that. Yes, yes. Now right here, you see? Yes. Now just copy all by pressing by pressing Alter and this one. Yes, that one. Yes, you see how fantastic and how easy, how effective and colorful are design. So the guys already done. I need now just group it and you see how nice, how easy and how colorful and modern a logo. So if you need such kinds of logo for a company or for your buyer, just follow me and watch my video and it will be more better and effective. So thanks guys.